Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're exploring a must-have for matte lipstick lovers, the Revolution Beauty London Air Blur Matte Liquid Lipstick. With a formula that promises long-lasting wear and a smooth, soft focus finish, let's see if it lives up to its claims. This lipstick is all about matte elegance, with the added benefit of being cruelty-free and vegan, which we love to see in today's beauty market. Available in 8 gorgeous shades, the one I'll be focusing on today is Sultry, a warm-toned deep mauve, perfect for anyone craving that chic, bold lip. The product is designed to give you a beautiful matte finish that lasts without the dreaded cracking or drying, which is often the downside of matte formulas. When I first opened the tube, I noticed the applicator right away. It's tear-shaped, which is ideal for getting precise application, especially along the Cupid's bow and outer lip lines. This means you're able to achieve clean edges without needing a lip liner, which is a big plus. It's super easy to control the amount of product, and the application was smooth without any streaks. In terms of texture, the Revolution Air Blur Liquid Lipstick is lightweight, almost weightless, and doesn't feel heavy on the lips, which I really appreciated. It glides on easily and has that initial creamy texture that quickly dries down to a soft matte. And best of all, it doesn't leave your lips feeling parched. Instead, the formula feels cushioned thanks to the nourishing blend of vitamin E, Jojoba Seed Oil, and Meadowfoam Oil. These ingredients help to keep your lips moisturized while you wear the lipstick. I tested this lipstick in a few different conditions: a regular day at work, during a video call, and at a dinner party. Throughout all of these, the color stayed intact without fading, and most impressively, it didn't crack or settle into fine lines, something that many matte lipsticks struggle with. Let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. The long-lasting wear without the cracking or drying is definitely a standout. You can expect to get hours of comfortable wear. The nourishing oils in the formula really set it apart from many other matte lipsticks that tend to be more drying. Sultry, the shade I'm testing, is a beautiful, bold mauve that suits a wide variety of skin tones. It's definitely one of those shades that can take you from day to night effortlessly. Now, the cons? While the tear-shaped applicator is precise, it can sometimes make it a little tricky to apply a thick layer if you prefer a more intense color right off the bat. You may need to build it up for full opacity. The price might be a bit higher compared to drugstore lipsticks, so if you're on a budget, it's something to keep in mind. When it comes to value for money, I'd say that the product is priced fairly, considering its performance and the quality of the ingredients. The lipstick does exactly what it promises: long-lasting, no-crack matte color with nourishing ingredients to keep your lips happy. As far as alternatives go, there are other matte liquid lipsticks on the market that deliver similar results at a lower price point. But the addition of nourishing oils and the comfort level of this product is a standout in the mid-range category. If you're willing to splurge a little, it's worth it for the wearability. Before I wrap up, let me quickly mention that Revolution Beauty does a great job with customer service. They're known for being responsive and transparent, and their products often come with guarantees, which can be a comfort if you're trying out something new. So, is the Revolution Beauty Air Blur Matte Liquid Lipstick worth the hype? Yes. If you're looking for a comfortable, long-wearing matte lipstick with a nourishing formula that won't crack or dry out your lips. It's a great option for those who want a high-performance lipstick without sacrificing comfort. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. I'd love to know your thoughts on how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.